Some people walk into the room and instantly command respect, and others completely ignored. Here is the shocking truth. It is not luck, it's not the looks, it's charisma. And you can learn it in next 10 minutes. Stick with me till the end. Secret number 2 is one tiny shoulder shift that makes people trust you instantly. Think about your last meeting. There's that one person everybody listens to. Meanwhile, you speak up, crickets. That gap, that is charisma. Neuroscience proves it's learnable. Secret number 3 will show you how the exact words you choose will make or break your influence. Secret number 1, presence. Presence is not just standing there. Charismatic people give full attention, eyes locked, body still, focus absolute. Imagine you are in conversation and your full attention is on that person. It feels magnetic. Stick around. Secret number 2 is one shoulder shift that makes people instantly like you. Secret number 2, non-verbal power plus warmth. Charisma is equal to warmth plus authority. Lean slightly forward, open chest, subtle smile. You are powerful yet approachable. Quick story, a colleague tried this shoulder shift in a meeting. 10 minutes later, everyone was nodding to their ideas. Next, secret number 3, the words you choose can make or break your charisma. Secret number 3, storytelling language. Stories, metaphors, and moral conviction, they stick in people's mind. For example, instead of saying we need results, say imagine our team as a rocket, every action counts as a liftoff. Secret number 4 is counterintuitive. Your mental speed signals leadership before you even speak. Secret number 4, mental agility. Quick thinking is not just smart, it's magnetic. When you respond fast, people perceive competence and confidence. Micro story, I once answered a client call in 3 seconds and they trusted me instantly. Secret number 5, it is the core trait all charismatic people share. Secret number 5, empathy and listening. Empathy plus emotional intelligence are the hidden engine. Mirror certainly respond genuinely. Micro story, a leader I coach start reflecting emotions, not words, and the team engagement doubled. Now watch, I will show you how to combine all 5 secrets into a daily routine. Here is your 7-day charisma hack. Visualize posture, practice your story. Warm up your mind, set listening intention. Do this consistently and people will react differently. Bonus tip coming up, it multiplies your charisma instantly. Bonus tip, authenticity and values. Charisma peaks when behavior aligns with your personal values. Identify your top 3, weave them into the conversations. Micro story, a client integrated honesty, curiosity, and humor. In a month, colleagues started seeking their opinions first. Authenticity separates leaders from imitators. Now you know the 5 science-backed secrets. Apply them. Watch influence skyrocket. Comment which secret you will start with first. Don't just watch. Become magnetic.